Prepare our zipper. I am using Zipper by the Yard. This is such an efficient way to do zippers because you can cut them down to size. This is a 6.5 inch long piece of zipper tape. This is a number 3 zipper, which means that it has the narrower zipper teeth as opposed to a number 5, which is like a handbag zipper that has the nice big fat teeth. I am using a longer zipper pull with the donut opening. So I wanted to show a couple of things that I like to do with the zippers. First off, you see how it's kind of fraying here. You can take a lighter and very quickly and gently just sear the ends. It just melts it just enough so that it stops fraying. So that's my first tip. The second thing that I like to do is when I install my zipper heads, let's see if we can get this nice and close where you can focus. I like to look at the teeth. They alternate left, right, left, right, left, right. And so before I pull apart my zipper tape, I like to look and see which zipper tooth is most forward. So the first zipper tooth on this particular zipper is going to be to the right. So when I pull this apart and I go to put my zipper head on, I want to make sure that when I pull it through, that right side is the first tooth that comes through. So always easier to do this when you're not on camera. I'm just kind of pushing them through. All right, so see there? So it is the first one, but it skips one, so not good enough. Let's go ahead and pull that off. Let's try again. Put one side in first, then put the other side in. And if I look down the zipper, I can kind of see it. I'm just pushing it in. Oh, there we go, the opposite. So now the left side has the first tooth. Let's try one more time. Oh, I think third time's going to be the charm. Third time's the charm, folks. So there we go. This is the first tooth, and then the next tooth is on the left. So right, left, right, left. That means that when I look down here, this has the correct number of kind of open teeth. It's not like one side is more than the other. This gives me a nice even zipper tape. And the reason I'm doing that for this particular application is because when I use a Zipper by the Yard, if I install my zipper this way, both sides are closed. And that makes putting my zipper tabs on easier than if this side were open and pulled apart. So that's why I did that. Okay,